Alright, today we're going to be trying to attempt to fix this burner here. This is what's going on here. So let's see if we can fix that. Because here's how it should burn. Nice and even. Ooh, I need to clean the stove again. Alright, let's see if we can fix this. Alright, I'm still trying to figure this camera out, but it's a little too fancy for me. But this is our problem right here. Is we have some kind of weird action going on. We had an item that got burnt up under the plate there and smoked all the inside up. And I'm gonna let that cool down. Smoked all the inside up. Looked like a plate sitting over a campfire. All the soot and thing got up under there, so we're gonna have to clean that off. I believe I cleaned it 2 or 3 times, but apparently it's not enough, so we'll try it one more time. All right, we'll let that set for about 10 minutes and then we'll come back and check on it. Yeah, I just use plain Jane glass cleaner because there's really nothing on here because this surface does clean up so easily. Every once in a while you'll get something burnt on there that you have to really scrub, but most of the time if you don't let it go too long and let things get burnt on there, and it's usually not that hard to clean up. There was quite a few things that actually burnt on here because I hadn't cleaned it in so long. But what caused this, or this problem that I'm having now, is a little piece of paper towel had got caught on one of these little pegs here, and it basically started burning it, and all this was charred here, and see, all this right here was charred. So I'm hoping just scrubbing that really good with a wire brush or something, if I can find one, will take care of the problem. I may actually have to get a file and get in between, get down there in between these grooves here, and remove all this gunk. I've scrubbed it and washed it, but see how it blackens this right here, and this is basically soot, and I guess it's not letting it breathe. All right, now we're gonna cut us off a section of this to use. Like I said, everything in the video I will try to link below. That way you can just do a one-stop shop and get everything you need in one spot. This outer ring is where the air is gonna, the gas actually is gonna come through here and flow through. So this is the area you want to clean off. Maybe I might be able to fold it and yeah, get down in there. And we just want to remove the soot that got burned on there. We don't want to actually remove any metal because we don't want the gaps any larger than they're supposed to be. like I said, be gentle with this. We don't want to actually remove any of the metal or whatever this is made out of. Feels almost like a pewter, but I have no idea. You guys can comment below and let me and tell me what this stuff is made out of. Okay, definitely looks a lot better. They do have replacements for these. You can get a whole set for like $40, but the problem is it's not all of them will fit because size wise, I saw some online on Amazon that would physically fit, but the problem is I think I have the GE. Hold on, GE, and this gap was not there on the one online. Also, what we're going to do is we're going to see where this striker hits right here, right back here. Let's see if I can move the camera. Whoa! Right back here, where this spark jumps across to the metal here, we want to make sure that that backside is really clean. And we're going to hit that one more time, that backside right there. Clean that up real good so that way we know we get a good spark. Yeah, that darkened area right there, I don't know if you guys can see it, but that's where the spark was jumping across and hitting. And so we want to make sure that that's good and shiny. So when you burn it, if you have an igniter on your stove, that way you want to make sure it gets a good contact. Okay, all right. Okay, so let's put it back together and see if we did any good. Okay. Yeah, the top of this actually wasn't seated down in there correctly. So yeah, I had to just keep moving it around and around. So now we got a nice even flame. Okay. All right. Like I said, thanks for watching, and we'll see you around the hot fire. Ha, ha, ha.